Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So tonight or today, whenever you're watching it, we're gonna be making a wig. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a little quick weave. I'm gonna do this real quick before I go to bed. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything I'm using first, and then we're gonna go from there. So the first thing I want to use is a dome cap. I like to use dome caps because to me they last longer. I used to sew my wigs like the hair onto the cap, but now I don't have time for that. So I just glue it on and it holds like just fine. So this is the spandex dome cap and it looks like this. Girl. So that's how that looks. Now this hair was given to me, it was given to me with a whole bunch of other hair. So I decided I'll make a little something out of it. So I have these two COS Milky Way and they're both 14 inches. These are both like affordable beauty supply store brands. This color is a 30. This color is a number 4. Like I said, I didn't buy these. They were given to me. This says that it's $20 and this one says that it's $23. So yeah, and like I said, this one's the 30, this one is a number 4, and then I have this, which I've never used this hair before. It was just in the with the rest of the hair that I got. So this is Indian Yaki human hair, tangle free, shed free, and this is on 1B. So, and it's a 14 inch as well. Now these Milky Ways, they are human hair master mix, so that means they mix with synthetic and human hair. Milky Way is a good brand. I've used them before. Oh yeah. This closure here is a Brazilian virgin Remy. It's in the color natural black and it's in a natural wave, but you can of course do it any color, anything. This was $12.99. So this closure, I actually bought this closure to just for this purpose. And this is the closure. And like I said, it was $12.99, so I just needed something like quick to go with this. And on the thing, on the card, I guess that's what it's called, it says 100% Brazilian virgin Remy unprocessed human hair. It's in a body wave and it's a L-shaped part. So yeah, I'm just about to go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is cut this tag. I didn't even turn on my ring light, y'all, and I do apologize. I didn't turn on my ring light, so just in case y'all wasn't able to see the hair, here it goes. And woo woo. So the first thing I want to do is put this closure in like a little ponytail so that it'll make it easier when I glue it down to the cap. So I'm just gonna do it like that. And just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair second cap first. It's been so long since I made a wig. Like, I got me a bag. Put the bag over my head. This is a Walmart bag that I sprayed with Lysol. And then just let it sit. Now I sprayed it with Lysol because girl, germs be on bags too, and I ain't got time. So, and I'm just gonna bobby pin that down. And you can make it however you want it, girl, because like I've made wigs on what's they called? On like mannequin heads before. All that. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the glue to this closure, and I'll show you how I do it in a minute. But I'm going to let it sit and dry. So this is just how I put the glue on. sure if you guys can see this. Just like that. So I just did it in like a double U shape, and I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. This is how the number 4 looks. It's very brown. So I'm gonna put this at the bottom and then the 1B at the top. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add some glue to the track as well, because it's just easier that way. So if you let your glue get a little tacky, then once you apply it to wherever you want to apply it to, it'll go ahead and like attach for you. Alright, so now I'm gonna add this closure. It's nothing that I have to cut off. And this is going to be an L side part, so I'm just going to place it right here. And see, the fact that it's already, like the glue is already tacky, it's going to flay easier. You want to pull the edges right here tight. So y'all, the rest of this video, I'm going to end up voicing over, but I will explain everything to y'all. Okay, y'all, so like I stated before, I'm going to add the number 4 hair first, and I did, how can I put it? I didn't start at the nape. I started a little bit up, like toward the, not really the middle, but like the bottom middle of my head. And I'm just going to lay the tracks from one side to the other. This is how it looks once I was done laying the brown. And now I'm just going to add some of this number 30 just to give it a little color. I wasn't sure how this would look, but I was like, you know, what the heck? Let me just go ahead and try it. So I added one track of that 30 color, and it definitely blended really well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start to add the number 1B color, and I'm just going to add it the same way, go from one side to the other. Now, since I'm doing the side part, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the top, because on the sides, as you can see, I'm running out of space. So I'm just going to fill in the hair at the top, and then if I need to add some on the side, I am. I did want to go ahead and add another color piece to the top of my head, and I did so. And then I just completed the rest of the wig with black hair. Alright, so once I'm completely done with the wig, I'm just going to take it off and remove the plastic bag. Now, you can blow dry the inside just to make sure all the glue is dry, but I didn't, because everything was already dry. So once you remove the bag, it should fix your hair like perfectly. You can choose to add wig clips or whatever. I just use bobby pins, because with the dome cap, like, it already holds like to your head tight. So I just go ahead and add a few bobby pins for styling, and this is just how it's looking before I style it. I love how the color blend. It was super, super, super cute. Now, I'm going to add some concealer to my part just to make it bolder. This is an option. You don't have to do this, but girl, do what you do. So I just added my concealer, and then I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush just to kind of blend it out a little bit better. And yeah, this is the hair I have left. And if you guys want to see part 2, go ahead and check the link below to see how I layer this hair and also curl it.